All right, here's our first example for finding the domain and range of a graph. So why don't you go ahead and first of all, what you're going to need to do for these examples is you're going to need to take a piece of graph paper and then do a double hamburger fold on it and then open it back up. We're going to have 4 examples, one in each corner of the graph paper, and then you'll go ahead and fold it up and glue it or tape it or whatnot into your journal. Okay, so here's example 1. We want to find the domain and range of this graph. So pause the video, fold your graph paper, get a piece of graph paper if you need to, um, and then draw this graph. And then once you're ready with this all copied down, go ahead and unpause the video and we'll continue. Okay, ready? Good. All right, so you should have already copied down in your notes this page that has the 4 types, 1, 2, 3, and 4. The 4 types of graphs that you would need to find the domain and range of. Looking at these types, so here's the graph again. So going back, look at these types. Is it discrete? Is it a continuous forever left and right and up and down? Is it continuous for going forever in one direction? Or is it continuous with 2 endpoints? And if you look very closely, I think you will agree with me that it's continuous and that it only goes forever in one direction. It starts here, but then goes forever to the right, and starts here and goes forever up. And that would be a type 3. So the domain and range can look something like this. X with an inequality symbol and then a number, Y an inequality symbol and a number for the range. So let us think, remember domain. Think of domain is how far to the left and right does it go, and range is how far up and down does it go. So looking at how far left and right does this go, well, let's see. It goes forever to the right, but where on the left does it start? It starts right here. So it starts here at -2, and then it goes forever to the right. And so it's getting bigger. First of all, the closed circle, remember, just like with solving inequalities, the closed circle means it's going to have the little equal line under it, and it's going to the right, which means it's getting bigger or greater. So we know that we're going to have the greater than or equal to symbol in our domain. And since it's at -2, here's our domain. X is greater than or equal to -2. This is the lowest domain, and then every x after that is going to be greater than or equal to -2. All right, and then how far down does it go? Well, if you look, you see it starts on the x-axis, which is y equals 0. So starting at 0, and it's going up. So if we turn our paper sideways, we're starting at 0, we're getting greater, which means once again we're going to have greater than or equal to, because it is a closed 0, our closed circle that is. And so our range is y is greater than or equal to 0. So turning the paper back around, domain, x is greater than or equal to -2, range, y is greater than or equal to 0.